Guys, it's so cold outside that my car won't even start. I don't know how I'm going to make it to school. Stephanie, how are the buses?
I'm waiting here for 45 minutes and not a single bus has come by. I don't think they're running today. I think I might just head home.
Wow, if the roads are that bad, I wonder if they've cleared the sidewalks yet. Marley, do you know?
Hey Morgan, I tried going outside this morning to my first class and the snow is super bad. It's definitely not Converse weather. You 100% need snowshoes and it's a bit icy out there. Does anybody know how Kiana's doing on the highway?
Hey guys, I'm stuck in dead traffic. I think there's a really bad accident and they closed off the highway. I might have to get off and go the back way, but I don't know how long that's gonna take. Wait, does anybody know how Annie's doing? I think she left already.
Hey guys, yeah, with all the snow outside, I didn't feel like sitting on the bus for an hour, so I got my sister to drop me off today. And I went to class and no one was there, so I don't think you guys should come today. I'll just write notes for you, it's fine. Hey, but isn't this an example of what Richardson was saying about weather extremes?
A relevant example of a weather extreme is our winters here in Canada and how they affect how students and faculty can get to school. Many of us commute to school, and when weather conditions get cold and snowy, it makes it difficult to get to Seneca. Kiana commutes all the way from Barrie. Renee and I commute from Maple. She drives and I take public transit. On a good day, taking the bus from Maple to Seneca takes quite a bit of time, just over an hour. Now imagine with bad weather, it takes double the time if the buses even run. Annie travels from Keswick via public transit, and Morgan and Marley both live on res. But due to unclean sidewalks, it does make it difficult to get from res to the school building, especially if the individual is not prepared for the weather. Our friend Marley is known for Converse and jeans rolled up at the ankles, most likely due to the fact she's used to warm weather back in Barbados. So snow is not a weather condition she enjoys trekking through. Just our group here is 6 people. If we could not commute to class, it would mean the class would be short 6 students. Now, we're not the only students commuting to class, meaning other students most likely find it difficult to get there, especially on a day when the weather's super bad. That means classes are emptier and attendance is low. Tim Richardson taught us how to use the word quorum, and it fits perfectly in this scenario. If the weather is extremely bad, some classes cannot commence because a quorum is not met. Us Seneca students choose to come to Seneca Newnham, but if people are bothered by the commute, especially in the winter, students may apply to other colleges either closer to them or a school with an easier commute, meaning less students enrolled at Seneca.
Now we're going to talk about how weather extremes affect promotion at Seneca. First, if there's a lot of bad weather happening in the city, many people are going to choose not to go to school. And what Seneca promotes is education. And if faculty aren't coming to teach students and students aren't attending classes and getting taught, no one will be promoting the educational services at Seneca and the opportunities available to them.
For price, students pay to go to school. Students will experience a loss of education if the weather conditions are poor and they can't make it to class. A way to avoid this is to create a plan during the winter time. An idea could be that professors could upload a mini lecture or PowerPoint so students don't miss any important points.
Now we're going to talk about how weather extremes affect Seneca College as a product. So a bad storm, for example, in North York, where Seneca College is located, would affect how Seneca's needs to source its information to students who still want to learn but cannot make it to school because of the weather conditions. Seneca's education, which is our product, must be sourced online if a huge number of students can't make it to school because of bad weather. Therefore, professors will have to make their course and information available online for days when students are unable to make it to class because of the weather. This way, students will be able to learn and not miss out on information because of weather challenges.